Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 16, Example 10. In this example, we want to solve a problem. In a blueprint of a rectangular room, the length is 2 inches less than 4 times the width. Find the dimensions if the perimeter is 46 inches. In step 1, we want to make sure that we understand the problem. Make sure that you read the question carefully several times. In this step, we also want to assign our variable. We are looking for the dimensions of a rectangle, which means we need to find the length and width of the rectangle. Since we can write length in terms of width, let's go ahead and let W equal width, and since the length is 2 inches less than 4 times the width, we can represent the length as 4W minus 2. In step 2, we want to devise a plan. This step involves translating the problem into a mathematical equation. We are given the value of the perimeter, so we need to use the perimeter of a rectangle formula to help us solve this problem. Since the perimeter is the distance around the figure, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Since the perimeter is 46, the length is 4W minus 2, and the width is W, we can plug those into the perimeter formula and get 46 equals 2 times the length, which we're using 4W minus 2, plus 2 times the width, which gives us 2W. In step 3, we want to carry out the plan. This means we want to solve the equation that we came up with in step 2. We can start simplifying this by applying the distributive property to remove the parenthesis on the right side. So we will get 46 equals, and when we distribute that 2 times 4W minus 2, we get 8W minus 4, and we still have our plus 2W. We can also simplify this by combining the W terms on the right side. So we will get 46 equals 8W plus 2W gives us 10W and minus 4. Next we can do the inverse of subtract and add 4 to both sides. This gives us 46 plus 4 equals 10W minus 4 plus 4. This will leave us with 50 on the left side equals 10W on the right side. Finally, we can do the inverse operation of multiply by dividing both sides by 10 and get 50 over 10 equals 10W over 10, which gives us 5 equals W. In step 4, we want to look back and check and interpret the answer. W equals 5 just gives us the width of the rectangle. We still need to find the length. Since the length is 4W minus 2, we can plug in the 5 for W and get the length 4 times 5 minus 2 equals 18. If we add 2 times 5 to 2 times 18, we would get the perimeter of 46. So our final answer is the width is 5 inches and the length is 18 inches.